When he first came to me, he would just roll around or he'd try to pull himself around. I was contacted by a vet nurse who's one of my friends, and they had a 4-week-old kitten that was brought in that was paralysed. And he was about to be put to sleep. So immediately I just said yes. I fostered him. I had to pick him up, transported him to my house, and then that's when he got to me. Because he was paralysed. He had complete muscle wastage. So he was just dragging himself on the floor. He was just so sweet. He was just really determined to be a normal cat. At home I had to do physical therapy, bicycle kicks, which was just moving his back legs just to get the muscle back, assisting him walking. We also took him to the vet for acupuncture treatment. So that was to help stimulate the blood flow and just help with the nerve damage. And he would be going around in circles or he'd just give up. He couldn't really get around too much. But now he's walking around like a normal cat. And it's just so funny to watch him walk around. It's so cute. He gets around really well.